Everyday Science MCQs of Biology, Chemistry, Physics, and Atmospheric Studies. Let's go. Most abundant element in the Sun is A. Hydrogen, B. Carbon, C. Helium, D. Oxygen. Answer: A. Hydrogen. Ornithology is the study of A. Sea animals, B. Birds, C. Fishes, D. Reptiles. Answer: B. Birds. Ornithology is the study of birds. The planet with the shortest rotation time around its axis: A. Jupiter, B. Earth, C. Mars, D. Venus. Answer: A. Jupiter. Jupiter has the shortest rotation time around its axis. The metal commonly used in storage batteries: A. Copper, B. Lead, C. Iron, D. Mercury. Answer: B. Lead. Lead is a metal that is commonly used in storage batteries. Number of natural satellite orbiting around Mars: A. 1, B. 2, C. 4, D. 7. Answer: B. 2. Mars has two known moons, Phobos and Deimos. Which planet has the shortest rotation time around its axis? A. Mars, B. Jupiter, C. Earth, D. Mercury. Answer: B. Jupiter. Jupiter planet has the shortest rotation time around its axis.